Hi everyone, I'm Howard from Oris, and today we're back with another unboxing video. We'll be taking a closer look at the GIGABYTE U4 laptop. This is one of our lightest models, and probably something that most of you haven't heard of before. So let's get to it. So this laptop is powered by an Intel 11th Gen Core i5 or i7 processor, which has 4 cores and 8 threads. And this laptop doesn't have discrete graphics, it does have integrated Intel Iris Xe graphics. So the packaging is relatively simple. We do have the laptop, we do have our warranty card in the bag right here, and then our power adapter is gonna be right here. Let's now talk more about the laptop. As you can see, this laptop is super thin and light, and it actually only weighs a little bit over 2 pounds, making this a very low profile laptop. That's kind of the whole point for the U4. For dimensions, we're talking about 12 inches in length and about 8.5 inches in width here, and it's super slim as well. If we turn it over to the side, you're talking about 0.6 inches in thickness. The U4 is meant to be portable, so it does have an 180-degree angle hinge design. On top of that, it does have a 178-degree viewing angle, making this a very comfortable laptop to use as well. This laptop has a 14-inch Full HD IPS level display with 100% sRGB. The U4 provides more screen real estate. It has super thin bezels that's encasing the panel here, and has an 83% screen to body ratio. At the very top here, you'll notice we have our HD webcam with a dual array microphone. This laptop also does have 2 1.5 watt speakers as well. We noticed that almost half of you that are watching haven't subscribed to our channel yet. So if you like this type of content, be sure to hit that subscribe button. Now let's get back to the U4. Taking a look at the side of the laptop, on the left side we do have an HDMI port as well as a USB 3.2 Gen 2 port. Right next to it is a Thunderbolt 4 port. The Thunderbolt port offers up to 40 gigabits per second of transfer speeds and is a really surprising addition to this laptop, especially given how thin and light it is. On the right side, we have another USB port. This is a USB 3.2 Gen 1, the audio combo jack, a micro SD card reader, and you have the power button right here. The charging port is right here, and it allows for 35 watt fast charging, and you can charge up to 45% in just 30 minutes with the U4. So overall, there's a good variety of ports on the U4. What stood out to me the most was the Thunderbolt 4 and the micro SD card reader. These will let you transfer files from other devices like your phone much faster, and it's great that they're natively included on the U4. Now this laptop does come with Intel Wi-Fi 6, and if you want to add more storage, you can open up the back panel to access up to 2 M.2 slots, with one of them being in PCIe 4.0, which means you can use a high-speed drive with it. This laptop is not only light, but it's also very durable as well. The U4 has passed a military-grade 810G certification, which means that this laptop is shock-proof and is also very resistant to humidity, altitude, high temperatures, and sand and dust. So all of these features make this a great travel laptop, given how it's portable and lightweight, making this a great travel laptop. If you're someone who likes to work on the go, then the U4 might be a great option for you. We hope you enjoyed this quick unboxing of the GIGABYTE U4 laptop. If you like this type of content, be sure to hit the subscribe button. And if you want to check out our other unboxing videos, you can go ahead and click this way. This is Howard from Oris, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Team up and fight on.